Hello everyone! Ito na naman tayo. Magba-vlog na naman. Samahan nyo naman ako. Itutur ko kayo sandali dito sa Visayas State University. At the background, in my background, ito yung pinakamataas na Mount Pangasugan. Yeah, it's like a wall. Just like Jericho, the wall of Jericho. It protects Visayas State University. Yun yung Mount Pangasugan. Yan. Very tall mountain. You know guys, noong Yolanda, kung wala yung Mount Pangasugan, ang laki talaga ng damage dito sa Visayas State University. Because of that Mount Pangasugan na nagsisilbi siyang parang bulwark or ano ba yun? Parang wall of protection because it's situated in the east of Visayas State University. So that mountain, at the foot of the mountain there is still part of Visayas State University. So from here, itutur ko kayo sandali. Ayan. See? Yan, may yan. Usually, tinatamnan dito ng corn. Okay, and there, going to the beach. Ayan, meron na naman, mamaya, meron na naman sunset doon. Magandang sunset. And if you could hear the birds, there are a lot of birds nowadays because, you know, kung malamig doong sa ibang panig ng mundo, yung mga birds, mahanap sila ng mga lugar na like the Philippines. Tulad nito, dumadagsa yung mga birds dito kasi malamig doon sa ibang panig ng mundo. And that tree over there, full of birds. And the birds are singing. It's like praising God for the very good weather today. There. So, in my next video, itutur ko rin kayo patungo doon sa Mount Pangasugan. Kasi marami doong mga rivers. Marami doong mga tanawin na talagang pag nandoon ka, you can really feel the presence of God. The God Almighty. The one that created the heavens and the earth, including those very beautiful mountains. By the way, Visayas State University is around 1,009 hectares. And that includes the foot of that mountain. Very tall mountain out there. So 1,000 hectares. Guys, tingnan nyo yung flowers na yon, it's asunting. Okay, it's a medicinal plant. Napunta kami dito kasi naghahanap kami ng gamot sa allergy ng aking anak. So, si Journal may allergy siya. So ang gamot ay asunting. May allergy si Journal kaya hinanapan namin ng asunting. Marami kasing mga tanim dito na yon pwedeng igamot. Maraming tanim dito sa Visayas State University, yung mga herbal plants, medicinal plants. Kasi this university is agricultural university. So yun yung pinaka main, ang mga main courses is on agriculture.